everyone. I hope you all are fine. In today's video lecture, I am going to start chapter number 6, Geometry. In this chapter, you will learn about shapes. Okay. So the first shape is point. A point is a small dot. It is named with capital letter of alphabet. See, this is the point. This is a small dot and it is represented by capital letter of alphabet. I have represented here this point with A. Okay, you can use any of the alphabet to represent point. Okay, now the second definition is line. A group of many points moving endlessly in both directions is called a line. What is line? A line is a group of points, okay, moving endlessly in both direction. Okay, that is called line. Now, what is straight line? A line that follows a straight path is called straight line. See, this is the line and this line follows a straight path. There is no turn in this line. So, this line is called straight line. Next line is curved line. What is curved line? A line that changes direction is called a curved line. In figure you can see the line which is having curve. Okay. So these lines are called curved line. Why? Because this line changing their path. Now rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners and its opposite sides are equal. You can see on the board that this is rectangle and the first side is AB, second side is BC, third side is CD and fourth side is DA. So the 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. And rectangle has 4 corners. First corner is A, second corner is B, third corner is C and fourth corner is D. So, a rectangle has 4 corners A, B, C, D and by the definition of rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. See this side AB and the opposite side of AB is CD. So, in rectangle, AB equals to CD. Okay, AB equals to CD and AD equal to BC because the opposite side of AD is BC. So, a rectangle has 4 sides AB, BC, CD, DA and 4 corners A, B, C, D. And in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. AD equals to BC, AD equals to BC and AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. This is the definition of rectangle. Now, square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. And 4 corners are A, B, C, D. Okay, in square all sides are equal. In square all the 4 sides are equal. Means AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. So, you can see in square 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 corners are A, B, C, D and in square all the sides are equal means AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Now let's see the definition of triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. And it is not compulsory that the sides of triangles are equal. Okay, the sides of triangle may be equal or unequal. Okay, so a triangle has 3 sides or 3 corners. In the figure you can see that A, B and C, these are 3 corners of a triangle and AB, BC, CA are 3 sides. AB, BC and CA. Okay. So the 3 sides of triangles are AB, BC and CA and 3 corners are A, B and C. And the sides of triangle may or may not be equal in length. Okay. Now circle. A circle is a plane shape that has no sides and no corners. Means a circle there is no sides and no corners. Okay. And this is a plane shape. So this is the figure of circle. Now let's start exercise 6.1. The question is draw the shapes and fill in the table. In this question a table is given and you have to draw the shapes and you have to fill some columns. In this table 4 columns are given. The first column is of shape, second column is the name of shape, third column is the number of sides and fourth column is of number of corners. So in name you have to write the name of shape. In number of sides column you have to count the sides of shape and write the number of sides. And in fourth column you have to count the corner of the shape and write the number of corners. Okay. So let's see the first shape. The first shape is of triangle. And how many sides in triangle? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3. Then how many corners? 1, 2, 3 corners. So you have to write 3 in number of corners column. Okay. So the shape is triangle. The number of sides are 3 and number of corners are 3. Now the next shape is of square. As you know that a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. So in name column you have to write square. Then number of sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. Then number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. Now next shape is rectangle. See, this is the shape of rectangle and rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to write 4 and then 4 corners 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many corners in rectangle? 4 corners. Now the last shape is of circle. This is the circle and by the definition of circle, a circle has no sides and no corners. So number of sides in circle 0 and number of corners in circle 0. So the answer will be 0 and 0. Now this way you have to see the shape and then you have to recognize, you have to see how many sides and how many corners in the particular shape. Okay, so this way you have to do this question. Now in next question you have to write the parts of given figure. Okay, first figure. See, what is the first figure? You can see in this figure all the sides are equal. Okay, so this is square. Now you have to write the parts of square. So first you will write 4 sides. So write the 4 sides like AB, BC, CD and DA. These are 4 sides. Then you have to write 4 corners. First corner is A, second corner is B, third corner is C and fourth corner is D. Okay. Now see the next shape. What is this shape? This is triangle. Now you have to write the parts of triangle. So as you know that how many sides a triangle have? 3 sides. And how many corners? 3 corners. So first you will write 3 sides. So the first side XY, then second side YZ, then third side ZX. So 3 sides of triangle are XY, YZ and ZX. Now you have to write corners. So the first corner is X, second corner is Y and third corner is Z. So 3 corners of triangle are X, Y and Z. So dear students, what you have learned? You have learned about different shapes. What was the first shape? The first shape was point. The first shape was point. What is point? A point is a small dot. A point is a small dot which is represented by capital letter of alphabet. Here I am representing this point as A. You can use any of the capital letter of alphabet. Okay, this is the definition of point. Second thing, you have learnt about line. What is line? A line is a group of points which extend indefinitely in both the direction. Okay, this is line. Okay, there are two types of line. First is straight line and second is curved line. What is straight line? A straight line has a straight path. Okay, like this, or you may draw like this. So these all lines are straight line. Why? Because these all lines are having a straight path. There is no turn in these lines. So these lines are straight lines. Okay. Now what are curved lines? A curved line has different path. Okay. In these two lines, you can see these lines are having different path. These lines are having different moves or turns. So these lines are curved lines. Okay. Now third thing, you have learned about square. What is square? Square has four corners, A, B, C, D. A square has four corners and four sides, AB, BC, CD and DA. And in square all the sides are equal. In square all the sides are equal. Now next shape is of rectangle. What is rectangle? A rectangle has four corners, A, B, C, D and four sides, AB, BC, CD and DA. And in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So AB and CD are opposite sides. So AB and CD are equal and AD and BC are equal. Why? Because AD and BC are opposite sides. So in triangle AD and BC are equal. Then next shape is of triangle. A triangle has three corners, A, B and C and three sides, AB, BC and CA. And it is not compulsory that a triangle has equal sides. Okay, the sides may be equal or unequal. Okay, now next shape is of circle. A circle is a plane shape. Okay, and it has no sides and no corners. A circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, so these shapes you have learnt. So dear students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.